is a polymeric molecule essential various role in biological coding, decoding, regulation, and expression of gene. RNA is found in cytoplasm, nucleus, and chromosomes of eukaryotic and cytoplasm in bacteria and virus. RNA is a genetic material and non-genetic material work as a both types which depend on conditions. Nature of RNA. RNA molecule naturally is basicophilic. Is a reaction with base compound because RNA is acid, then easily react with base. So is called a basicophilic. RNA molecule is dissolved in alkaline solution. Alkaline solution is base. RNA and RNA is mostly found in single stranded, and if RNA molecule less than 200 nucleotide is known as a small stranded nucleotide RNA. Example is a siRNA, miRNA is a small stranded RNA, and long stranded RNA have more than 200 nucleotides. It is known as a mRNA, ribosomal RNA. It is like that. And single helix RNA mostly have found in a single helix. If double helix, then it form a form and have a major groups with narrow and deepest type of RNA. RNA molecule are two types. RNA molecules are two types based on genetic material and non-genetic material. Structure of RNA molecules. RNA molecules made from different component like that is a sugars, and it means 5 farmo-ribose sugars, base adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracils. Adenine, guanine belong to purines group, and cytosine, uracil belong to pyrimidine groups. Purine group is a double cyclic, and pyrimidine is a single cyclic, and these components help to formation of RNA molecules. First molecules are made is a nucleoside. Nucleoside made from sugar and base. This is a ribose sugar molecules. So you see here 2' group is freely and 3' carbon group is free. Now what is a C1 carbon group? C1 carbon group bonding with the N1 pyrimidine and or N9 purines. Purine is a guanine adenine by bonding with glycosidic bond is a made of nucleoside molecules. Then after nucleoside molecules react with ATP molecules. ATP molecules is come from alpha phosphate group. Is react with C5 carbon groups of ribose. Is a bond known as a phosphoester bond. Molecule is made nucleotides. Then one nucleotide molecule is linked with another nucleotide molecules by phosphodiester bond. This is a bond is a phosphoester bond, and this is a phosphoester bond. But this is just one nucleotide molecules, and this is a one nucleotide molecules. So known as a one phosphate group is linked here, and second this is here. First is a 5 carbon groups, and second one is a 3' OH group. Is known as a phosphodiester bond. You see here 2' OH groups freely, then is a chance to degrade easily, and this region RNA molecules is a most reactive. RNA molecules type of RNA have a genetic material. RNA as genetic material. Then some plant virus like that is tobacco mosaic virus. Use of RNA as genetic material because TMV virus, tobacco mosaic virus have not a DNA. Then work as RNA is genetic material. Types of RNA based on a non-genetic material. Types of RNA based on non-genetic material, like that is mRNA, tRNA, RNA, microRNA, small nuclear RNA, small nuclear RNA, small causal, small cytoplasmic RNA, guide RNA. Is different type RNA found in a cell of eukaryotics, and some RNA found in eukaryotic and prokaryotic both, like that is mRNA, messenger RNA, tRNA, it means soluble or transfer RNA, and third one is ribosomal RNA. Both three RNA found in prokaryotic and eukaryotic. These RNA found in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic, and all RNA. These all RNA found in eukaryotics in cytoplasm and nucleus. First RNA known as a coding RNA, and other RNA is a non-coding RNA. Only first RNA is only mRNA, messenger RNA, work as a coding to protein synthesis. All RNA help to protein synthesis and other functions like that is gene expression, gene regulations, and modify for other RNA editing. Is a different webs of RNA in different place based on non-genetic material. Messenger RNA, it is a coding RNA at a volume 5 to 10% of total volume. It is in a volume 5 to 10% of total RNA in a founder cells of prokaryotic and eukaryotic. It is a messenger RNA that is a code for protein synthesis. It is a long extended RNA have and is in a bacteria have a polycystic, and eukaryotic is known as a monocystic, because polycystic bacteria is a single stranded bacteria have a single DNA, then is made a single mRNA molecule, and when one mRNA molecule is made a different type proteins in a one chromosomes, and eukaryotic have a many chromosomes, then made a different mRNA to made a protein. It is monocystic. Small interfering RNA, double stranded RNA. Small interfering RNA is a double stranded RNA molecules. Is a non-coding molecule RNA. It is made 20 to 25 nucleotide, and it is known as a small interfering RNA, silencing RNA, and RNAi, RNA interference. It is a work as gene expression control and regulation in a specific sequence, a specific manner, and degraded the outside of RNA molecule that is enter in a plants. Next is piRNA or pyRNA. Py interacting RNA, piRNA, is a large class of RNA is made 31 nucleotide in length, is known as a non-coding RNA, and is a long-stranded RNA that interact with the pi domain contain protein. Pi mRNA function in a germline to silence genetic element such as retrotransposons, and in RNA silencing as a component of RNA-induced silencing complex. It is guide RNA. Guide RNA is a function as a RNA editing, because these are used. Next is guide RNA or RNA editing, because these guide RNA help to modify of mRNA molecules. It is and add of the uridine molecule in a mRNA, and guide RNA also used in a prokaryotic DNA editing involve CRISPR and Cas9. Small nuclear RNA. Small nuclear RNA or SNORNA is known as a SNORNA, used to process and chemically modify of small nuclear ribosomal RNA and small causal RNA (scRNA), used to modify of SNORNA and snRNA. SNO small nuclear and small nuclear RNA. Small nuclear RNA function as a RNA processing. Is a mRNA processing small nuclear RNA is last one. Is small nuclear RNA is function in a variety. Small nuclear RNA function in variety of nuclear process, including splicing of pre-mRNA that help to the remove of the intron and made of the exon to protein synthesis. Is a process of splicing in mRNA.